In the age of modern warfare, speed, intelligence, and efficiency have become essential elements in combat vehicle design. The United States is now developing one of its most ambitious armored warfare projects in recent history, the Next Generation Combat Vehicle, or NGCV. This isn't just an evolution of the M1 Abrams. It's a complete revolution in the concept of ground combat. The Next Generation Combat Vehicle is a top priority U.S. Army program designed to replace aging armored platforms that are no longer suited for the threats of future battlefields. NGCV isn't just one tank. It's a family of combat vehicles, including manned and unmanned variants, all developed with one mission: to deliver unmatched dominance on the ground. One of NGCV's most defining features is its advanced control system, supported by artificial intelligence to assist in rapid decision-making during high-stress combat scenarios. It comes equipped with 360-degree situational awareness sensors, active protection systems, and automated target identification capabilities. These systems are designed to enhance crew survivability and tactical efficiency in every environment. NGCV is built with a hybrid electric propulsion system, making it significantly quieter and more energy efficient than traditional tanks. This provides two major advantages: the ability to operate silently during stealth maneuvers and a lower acoustic and thermal signature, crucial for survival against modern enemy detection technologies. The tank features a modular weapon system, allowing it to be fitted with a range of primary cannons, secondary guns, and anti-tank missile systems. This adaptability gives NGCV the flexibility to dominate across multiple combat scenarios, from open battlefields to complex urban warfare. What truly sets the NGCV apart is its ability to operate as the central hub in a digital battlefield ecosystem. It is designed to work in coordination with combat drones and unmanned ground vehicles, all networked in real time through secure battlefield communications. This synergy between human operators and autonomous systems enables an unprecedented level of tactical coordination and operational awareness. Compared to modern tanks, such as Russia's T-14 Armata or Germany's Leopard 2A8, the NGCV stands out in terms of digital integration and combat intelligence. The U.S. is no longer focused solely on armor and firepower. It's embracing systemic intelligence, allowing NGCV to respond faster, adapt quicker, and hit harder than any of its rivals. The Next Generation Combat Vehicle isn't just a new tank, it's a bold statement about the future of land warfare. With next-level technology and a fully integrated combat system, NGCV shows how the U.S. military is preparing for tomorrow's conflicts with power, precision, and digital superiority at every turn.